In this video, we will show you how to disable fast startup on Windows 11. Maybe you don't want when your computers or laptop is turned off. Then when you turn on your laptop or your computers, it's ready with the last sessions that you've opened. To do that, you need to disable the fast startup. How to do that? First, you need to open the control panel. Just find the control panel in here and then open the control panel and make sure you view as category here. Okay, just select category. Okay, after that you can click system and security here, and in here you can go to change what the power buttons do. When you click this, maybe you confused because the option to turn off this fast startup is gray out or disable. Okay, to make this option is enable, you can click this, change settings that are currently unavailable. And then you can disable the fast startup on your Windows 11 by untick this and click Save Change. And you are done to disable the fast startup on your Windows 11. You can try to restart your computers. In here, there is many options that you can choose also. When you press the turn off button, you can choose shutdown or sleep or another here. Make sure you choose the right way, because maybe if you just untick this and the shutdown just sleep, okay, this is not work smooth maybe than you expected. And that's a tutorial how to turn off fast startup on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.